Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your NerdWallet account if you are signed in to any web browser or PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the web browser that your account is signed into and then simply type in nerdwallet.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, since you are already signed in to your account, you will be taken into the NerdWallet homepage where you will see the My NerdWallet button at the top right corner. Just hover over to this button and now underneath the account option you will be able to find the sign out button. Just go ahead and click on it and you will now be signed out from your account on NerdWallet. And as you can see, you will see the sign in and the sign up button appear at the top right corner once again. So in order to sign back in, you simply need to click on the sign in button and then use your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.